Going over DraftKings here, current price is 43.22, up about almost 5% today, and we are on the daily chart. Just wanted to give a heads up that now that we are above the $41 support level, these are some resistances I'm keeping an eye out for myself. $44 I think is going to be tested during this week, and then going within March and April, possibly going into next month, there's a possibility of seeing a reversal into DraftKings chart going towards the upside, right? So we just had this high of 53.61 before having this massive sell-off all the way to almost a low of 39.25, almost hitting our $38 support here, which in my opinion was a very good dip opportunity. I think in terms of upside movement, once we break above 44, the next resistance I would personally keep an eye out for is $47.75. That's approximately a level where we can potentially see get tested here going into, again, March and April. That's just my personal prediction. Long term, I do think DraftKings is going to retest that recent high we've had at 53.61. Now, let's go ahead and zoom out and go into the weekly chart and then reset the Fibonacci retracement. So you got my short-term prediction there and long-term prediction. If we take a look at the high of all time, that's going to be 74.38. So these are additional resistances to keep an eye out for. You can see 49.70 here, having a resistance here that occurred right around March of 2024. 49.70, I think will also be tested again, followed by our recent high here into $59.13. This also may be a major resistance level to keep an eye out for moving forward into the future. And do I think 74.38 is going to be tested? In my opinion, yes. And I think right now is a really good dip opportunity if looking to average down into DraftKings or if looking for an entry point. The weekly chart looks extremely well in my opinion. If you're looking at this from the weekly chart, you can see that the 50 EMA is crossed above the 200 EMA. That's a golden cross on the weekly chart, meaning long term. I think this is going to be really nice. If we take a look here, we just respected the 50 EMA on the weekly chart. Overall, 50 EMA here looks pretty respected. 100 EMA even looks even better than 200 EMA. I don't think we're going to see that test for anytime soon. All right, 200 EMA being at 32.50. That's a major bottom support level there. I don't think we'll be seeing that tested. The 100 EMA here at $36.30. That's a potential dip opportunity. And then 50 EMA here, I think, is our first line of support, which we did test recently, right around 39.56 here currently, okay? So my opinion is, over time, we're probably going to see something similar along the lines of a move like this, right? Just keep an eye out for a zigzag up, stair step up, whatever you want to see it, right? 59 to 74 eventually will be tested once we get a breakout towards the top side. That's just my opinion for DraftKings. If you are in DraftKings long-term or short-term, I highly recommend joining the Discord, link down below in the description and pinned comments. There's over 32,000 members there, and you can share your due diligence as well as ask questions in our community. Free to join. And lastly, if you're looking for live entries and exits, we do have a 90% off discount. It's a permanent discount for those looking for live entries and exits on options as well as stocks from 20 analysts. Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you on the next video for DraftKings.